didn't really realize what I really left behind. You know, coming to realize now what I left, a company that I've been building since I was 20 years old. I left behind my friends, my family. It all started October 26th. I met the owner of Competition Clutch at a Clutch Kickers event in Florida. You know, we discussed, he told me what he needed at the shop. I told him I'm the guy. He actually flew me out to Conyers, Georgia. We sat down, we had a meeting. He gave me an offer that at the moment I didn't even think about it. I just took it because it sounded so good. He painted a picture that he couldn't really paint once I got there, but you know, I had a great time. It was an awesome experience. I got hired to be the director of the racing program, head of sales. So I was in charge of Instagram. I was in charge of making all the sales to all the companies, racers around the world. I was in charge of making sure everybody was happy and everybody had what they needed at the track. So I was being a vendor at different events, like World Cup finals that we got to go to. Just basically make sure, like I said, everybody was happy, everybody had what they needed. I came back to Orlando December for Christmas break, had a fallout with the company, didn't really see eye to eye. They painted me a picture that they couldn't paint in person. You know, I learned from my mistakes. You know, I am grateful I got to meet new people, gain friendships. I left behind my family, my friends, my race car, and I left my business. Part of the agreement that I had with them was that as long as I was employed under their company, I couldn't race anymore. I had to give up my dreams to racing and to traveling to different events. I had to give that up, and I had to shut down my business. So basically, just let go of everything that I built since I was 20 years old. All the late nights, breaking nights, not sleeping much. I had to let all that go just to be employed with Competition Clutch. So the plans now for Stocky Autoworks is to come with a comeback. The takeover is what I want to call it. I'm looking for a new shop, new establishment, establish somewhere else, invest more in inventory. That's gonna help, you know, with my customers. I am building online websites very hard, but I'm learning it myself, and I'm, you know, growing from there. The website is basically just gonna be like any online website, you know, where you can finance parts and et cetera, et cetera. But the car, I know a lot of people have been messaging me, asking me, where's the car, what's going on with the car? You coming back, are you racing, are you not racing? Well, now that I left the company that I was with, now I'm allowed to race. So now, my best friend Angel, Carry On Bill, gave me a call and said, hey, I have a game plan with the car, let's do it. And it's to finish it, I picked up a sponsorship with CSS. So CSS actually gave me a sponsorship on a block. So we're putting that together. Angel's gonna put it together. We're gonna come back out and we're gonna join the 10-0 index. So guys, I just want to give a quick shout out to all my sponsors. Carry On Bill, best friend, thank you for being there for me. We have MNZ, Jeffrey at MNZ, Titan, Gabe at Titan, thank you for everything you have done. South Bay, Julie, thank you for everything you have done, sponsoring another set of injectors for another season. Backyard Shits, Luis Ramos, Rolo, thank you. Mostro, without you, I don't have a tuner, so you're really important to the team. Nikki, thank you to BFab for giving me the facility, welcoming me with open arms. Thank you for everything you have done as well. The facility performance, Coco, thank you for everything. CWB, Johnny from CSS, without Johnny, I wouldn't have a block. So Johnny, thank you for coming on board and believing in me as well. If forgetting anybody, nice ones, supporting me, putting a battery on my back, recording me, giving me everything that I need as well. JR Auto Sales, Nene, thank you for everything. Action Clutch, Eric, thank you from Action Clutch, thank you for helping me with everything. Never has a no for me. Whenever I need a clutch or any parts, he sends it right to me. You guys make sure you guys subscribe to the YouTube channel, like and comment. There's gonna be a process of the build from day one to till we make it to the track with a new wrap with Ford Race. I'm really excited, man, and I'm ready to be back. So welcome to the takeover.